Like this guy's in the tank.
You making excuses already?
We were out there at the beach yesterday playing ball. Yeah. Everybody's got sweatpants, sweatshirts. It was crazy, dude.
How does Asheville like it? You left Asheville for this?
Asheville's cold right
after
now.
my lunch break, and I had no sweater on, but shirt and long shorts. What you talking about?
What you gonna get? 220.
Because I didn't wear a sweater.
You gonna set a PR on camera, Ty Bricks? 5?
5, yeah.
5 of these?
I can get it up myself.
All right,
let's get it, boy. Show them what you got, Tommy.
Do you want me to just not even fuck with you?
No. Yeah, I got it. I'll tell you.
Alright.
Come on, Tommy. Get 5 of these.
Let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. 4 more.
1.
Let's go. 3 more.
2. Come on, Tommy. 3. Ooh, he's got this shit. Easy.
Easy weight.
Easy. 1 more. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on. Push.
Up. I don't got it.
Oh, yeah. Nice. PR on camera. You got anything to say to your fans? No? Okay.
Mark Antonelli.
Oh.
You sad.
Yo. Oh. It's camera worthy. Look how juicy you are.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, Chris. 1. Nice. 2. Come on, Chris. Ooh, 3.
No, that's good.
Good.
That felt heavy.
Yeah, bro. Camera angle. Come on.
You should get. Oh, never mind.
Come on, Tommy.
No lift off, right? I'm not gonna come close to you until you ask me to.
Let's go, Ty Bricks. Come on.
Easy.
Look at that. That's easy.
Nothing.
Easy peasy.
That was my cover page on MySpace.
My point being, if it's not on the internet, don't happen. So get this shit, Chris.
Yeah, I got this.
Lifetime PR.
Alright, you ready, dog?
Yeah, get this shit. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, Chris. Come on. Push. Oh, yeah.
Man,
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's
Nice.
the first time in 10 years.
Ever.
They bust you out with a 260.
Okay. You saw Chris get it. 260.
Let's go, Nick Foles. Let's go, baby.
Come on, Tommy.
Oh, that's easy weight. Easy weight. Up.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, son. That's going on YouTube.
What do you got to say? Lifetime PR.
Whole rack, hot 10.
Come on, baby. Come on.
So what you got? You racking this shit?
Hot 10.
Come on.
10. Come on. Let's go. Come
Do
on.
it for the internet, Tommy.
There you go. 3. Full
Come
rack.
on, Ty Bricks.
Full rack. 4. There you go. 5. Halfway
5.
there.
Come on. 6.
6.
Come on.
Hey, work it out. I got you. Come on. 7.
7.
Let's go. Come on. 3 more. 1.
8.
Let's go. Breathe.
Oh.
Good job.
Oh, you got denied, son.
Good job, son.
You denied him. That's bad. Bad boy.
All right.
Come on, Tommy. How many did you get? 8? 1. More than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Chris. 6, 7,
I got 15.
8. Let's go then. Let's see it. 9. Is that 10?
Make sure you get that weight up there, dog. That full
11.
full rack.
12. Full rack. Fake weights.
13.
13.
14.
5th.
Come on.
Get him. Oh, all himself.
Bad form on that last one.
Fake weights. Fake.
Got that whole rack. What do you get?
Full racking it.
Full rack?
Full
Yeah.
rack? Full rack.
How many reps you going for?
Fucking
10. We're going for a cool 10.
A cool 10.
CPA Strength.
10. All right, 10.
Got to be the strongest CPA in Florida. You got to get the cool 10.
You guys CPAs?
No, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Oh, that's easy. Lightweight.
6, 7, 8.
Look at them biceps looking juicy.
Looking juicy.
One more. Come on, juice. Oh.
You let go too soon.
Yeah, because the juiciness
You got anything to say
gotcha.
to your channel? You got anything to say to your channel, dog?
Wait till squats.
Wait till squats. All right. Prep work for the 300 PR. Water. Stay hydrated, everybody.
Always gotta get up for this shit right here.
Hold up, hold up. I gotta get a close up of the weights, dog, so people can see and there'll be proof. Whoop. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 7 more. 14, come on baby, let's go. 15, 5 more, come on. There you go, 4 more. 3 more.
Get an extra one for the haters.
2 more. Oh shit, so you got 3 more then. Extra one for the haters. 1, 2 more. 2 more. Last one. This one's for the haters. Oh, okay, okay. He's like, I don't got enough haters to fucking.
Oh, it's 20, bro. You can't get one for the haters.
You can't give one for the haters. Breathe, dog. Breathe.
I don't think I can just do the bar.
Oh, cut. Cut. Okay, my bad.
Oh, okay. What are you guys waiting for? What? What?
3, 1, 2.
Okay, guys.
3, 4, 6, 7.
There we go. Eagles do it for Carson Wentz. Got the Eagles outfit.
13,
And 180 killing them.
16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
5 more, Tommy.
5, 26, 27, 28,
5 more, Tommy,
29,
after this.
30.
5 more.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
4,
Go.
3.
Come on.
Hey, Tommy,
Them abs.
5 more, 5 more, 5
Them
more.
abs.
1,
Damn. Let's go.
2,
3. Come on.
4, 5. There we go.
Show them those abs.
Woo, we said
Show
fucking
them those abs, Chris. Show them those abs. Oh, damn, son. Woo.
Go ahead, dog.
I pulled something.
That's what you get for stretching. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C P A S T R E N G H I S T H E S T R. Oh, I was about to say strongest CPA, but you quit. I said CPA Strength is the not enough.
Bomb.com.
Not enough. Oh, he pulled a muscle.
I had some on my nose.
He pulled a muscle.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap, son.
Yo, it doesn't matter who it is, son. Yo, tell him what's up.
Yo.
Yo. He's got 2 subbies.
2.
Who's the other one?
Yeah.
I know I'm one of
It
them.
don't matter.
Yeah, it does. Okay, the squad, me, me, 180, and Tyson. Post-workout meal, cause shit just got real. Peanut butter and jelly. How much better could you do it? Did you have a good time today, Chris? Mr. 180?
I did.
And you got another sub, and you're going to the beach, living life. Living life.
2 subbies strong, baby. 2 subbies strong.
Living life. Okay, yeah, we out for now. Shit.
Love you, paid.
You got anything else to tell them? Any words of wisdom for the channel, dog?
Get original grape jelly when you make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
That's some good shit right there, people.
That's actually pretty.
That's legit. That's legit shit. Replay that. That's got replay value.
Yeah. That's,
all right.
That's kind of worth what I said on that one.
It's worth what you said. You guys just paid for an ad. That's it.
Take that to the bank.
Take it to the bank. Cash that check. CTC. All right.